World Students' Day is observed annually on October 15th. The World Student Day is celebrated to honor Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, the former President of India. His work in the development and functioning of guided missiles Agni and Prithvi earned him the title of Missile Man of India. Dr. Kalam was the lead of several nuclear tests at Pokhran, which made India as a nuclear-powered country. Dr. Kalam is remembered even today for his immense contribution in the field of science, literature, philosophy and language. He was awarded by Padma Bhushan, 1981, Padma Vibhushan, 1990, Bharat Ratna, 1997. Dr. Kalam also wrote several books including Wings of Fire, an autobiography, and India 2020, a vision for the new millennium.